Hi guys, welcome to my channel and how to download HP OmniBook Ultra Flip 14 laptop driver. So use to any browser and download the Google search box to type like that, and you can go to this URL support.hp.com. Just right click to new tab and go to this tab. Okay, scroll down, Windows, select your operating system Windows 11. If you are using Windows 10 in this system, so download driver Windows 11 and install in Windows 10. No worry about it, it will support it. So this is BIOS. So do not install the all driver, you just require driver like audio, chipset, graphic, keyboard, mouse and network. Okay, if you have to update the BIOS, so you can click to download and this is your BIOS. Okay, so just give you best way. First of all, you select this all selected driver showing here. Okay, and then chipset. Okay, so try to this is this one, then graphic card, then keyboard, mouse. Require only fingerprint and network Bluetooth and Wi-Fi. So I think LAN driver is not there in this laptop. So all selected driver showing here, so you can see. So guys, you just click to download like that. No thanks. Then click it, it will start automatically here. You can see it. Okay, one by one. So like this is in setup file, downloaded setup file. How to install it? You just click, single click this setup. Okay, then click to yes, then next, I agree, then next. Okay, it will install in cmd command in the backend of system and wait few seconds. After you require driver install, so you restart your system, and if you want to install the more driver, so you just click on the download more driver. If you are come on the automatically this home page. Okay, then again select and like that, and then click to submit it. Thank you so much.